Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today I am going to show you how I created this makeup look today. I really got inspired. I wanted to use the next color of this Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and today I wanted to work on the factory color, which is right here, which is the brown that's kind of like in my crease. But I also wanted to jazz it up and be playful, so I used one of the J-Cat color pigments, which is the purple glitter. And I got to play around with a couple of new products too. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look and what I used, then just keep on watching. And don't forget, I have everything linked in my description box below in case you just want to know what I wore. To start off this look, I'm going to use my Believe Beauty Lock It in Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids. Now I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Naked 3 eyeshadow palette. And I want to use this factory color right here. And that's going to go on most of my lid space, even above the crease. More of like in the crease area. I'm just going to kind of blend it out just with a clean, fluffy brush. So I really want to play with this J-Cat glitter pigment. And this one is in the I think it's called Cheeky Arrogance. I'm not sure, but it's a very beautiful purple with a pink shift. I think it's more pinkish looking when it's actually rubbed. I'll swatch it for you. I swatched it last night and it was really freaking pretty. So it's kind of like my nail color, but more purple. It's prettier in person. But yeah, that's what I want to put in, like, I don't know. I don't know how much I want to put on, but I know I want some on. So I'm going to get some more of this Believe Beauty Lock It eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to put it, let's see, I guess I'll just dab it on and hope for the best. I don't know, to be honest. Brush. I'll clean it off first. The one that comes with the Naked 3 palette. I don't know if this is going to work too well. That turned out really pretty. Now I'm going to go in with my Covergirl, let's see, liquid liner. And I think I'll do a little bit of a cat eye, but not too much. We'll see what it wants to do today. Okay, we're doing a little bit of cat eye today. Now I'm going to go over my cat eye, my upper and lower lash line with the LA Girl Perfect Precision eyeliner in the color Very Black. Just so we won't see any of my real eyelid color. I'm going to go and use my Isadora Build Up Mascara Extra Volume Mascara before going in with my falsies. Now I am going to put on my lashes, and I'm using these LA Colors Diva lashes along with my Duo Quick Set Lash Strip Adhesive. Now I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer, and I do believe this is my first time using this product. Like, I just opened it, but I can't remember if I've tried it before. I don't think I have. It looks like it's a silicone type of primer. Let's see. Yeah, okay. It doesn't have a smell to it. It actually feels like Vaseline. Which I don't really have an opinion about, as long as my face makeup goes good on top of it and it makes it appear better and not worse. I don't really care. Makes my face feel smooth. I don't really mind the silicone, you know, filling primers normally. As long as it don't ball up on me, I'm good. The concealer I'm going to be using today is the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. And I've used this plenty of times in the past. As you can tell, like, I've used the crap out of it. And it's almost time for it to retire, it looks like. But the only drawback I can really think of this concealer is it's gonna, well, I can't smell it right now, but normally it has like a rosy scent to it. This looks dark. And it can irritate the skin a little bit, but it's not that bad where I can't use it, but it's something to keep in mind. If you have like really sensitive skin, you might not like this, but I like it. It doesn't really affect me that much. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Covergirl Clean Liquid Foundation in 110 Classic Ivory. Yeah, I've used this plenty of times in the past. If you want something really affordable that almost everywhere has, like Walmart and CVS, Walgreens, I don't know, anywhere pretty much that you can get CoverGirl products, you'll probably see this foundation. And it's not full coverage, but it's not light coverage. I don't know. And it has that old school CoverGirl smell to it. If you're alright with all that, then you will love it. It's a good go-to foundation, especially when you know, you just want to go out and get a foundation really quick. It's good. I like it. Alright, for powder, I'm going to use the Joah Selfie Ready Setting Powder in Translucent. And I like to focus it on the under eyes first, and then my whole face with a big fluffy brush. I really need to get some more powders. Yeah, this is pretty much the only one in my collection right now. Which I do love it, but, you know, I like to have more than one in my stack, you know. Now I'm going to do my brows with the Joah Brow Down to Me Precision Brow Pencil. Really love this brow pencil. I'm using that factory color, and I'm going to put it on the lower lash line, and then kind of just smoke it out. I'll get a bigger, fluffier brush to fluff it out. Now I'm going to go into that Believe Beauty eyeshadow primer, and I think I'll just put on the back of my hand like so, and put it on the brush, and then kind of just put it around on the lower lash line. Just kind of get it on the tip of it. And then go into that J-Cat glitter pigment. And just in case you was wondering what I'm using and you didn't catch it the first time, I will have everything linked in my description box below. But yeah, I got the tip of that, and I'm hoping, since I have powder on my face, if I get fallout, it'll be alright. Now fluff it. I think that's pretty. Going back in with my Isadora mascara just to get that powder look off the falsies. And I'm also going to do my bottom lashes with this mascara too. For setting spray, I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I like to set my face before I do like blush and my lipstick. I don't know why. It just works out better because that way my skin looks like skin. And I don't know. Me personally, it's been working out better this way. I'm going to go in with my Smashbox the Cali contour palette. And I think I'm going to just, I really don't know what I'm doing yet. I think I'm going to go into the blushy looking color right here. And I'm going to just, ooh, my face is still a little wet. Just going to dab it. Kind of like where you would put your contour, but it's going to act as a blush slash contour. To finish up this look, I am going to attempt to use this color. I'm not sure if it's too light or not, but this is the first time I'm using, I think, even this type of product, minus just the color. Anyway, it's the La Bam Balm. It's a Joah tinted lip balm, and this one is in the color Bamba. Bamba? I don't know. Bamba. Bamba. No. Yeah, Bamba. Oh, cool. Oh, that's really pale. Yeah, it's a little too pale. Yeah, way too pale. Alright, now I'm going to try this color. It is the Smackaron Matte Velvet Lipstick. Is from Joah again. And this one is in the color Smackaron. A lot darker. Yeah, I think this will work. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you loved it, or at least liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye.